Hi, my name is Allie with Country Hills Pet Hospital, and today we're going to be talking about heartworm disease in dogs.
Allie, what are heartworms and how do they affect dogs?
Heartworms are parasites that live in your dog's heart. They do lead to lung and heart disease.
How does a dog get heartworm disease?
Heartworm is gotten by an infected mosquito biting your dog and transmitting that parasite to them.
How does my vet diagnose heartworm disease?
Heartworm disease is diagnosed by a simple blood draw and a test that takes about 10 minutes.
How often should I be testing my dog?
You should be testing your dog every year.
How does that test work?
That test works by a small blood sample is taken, and that tests for the antigen of the heartworm. And if that test is positive, we know that your pet has heartworm.
What are the signs of heartworm disease in a dog?
Heartworm disease has very little symptoms until we get to a fairly advanced stage of the disease, which can lead to pretty significant heart and lung issues, which could potentially lead to death if untreated.
How do I treat my dog if they do get heartworm disease?
If your pet does get heartworm disease, you'd be looking at keeping your dog in the hospital, and injections will need to be given to kill the parasite, and then we're looking at several months of activity restriction after that.
How can I prevent my dog from getting heartworm disease?
Preventing your dog from getting heartworm disease is very simple. We do have multiple different preventatives available, from orals to injectables, to prevent the heartworm disease.
What should I do if I forgot to give my dog their heartworm preventative?
If you forgot to give your dog their heartworm preventative, we would recommend testing early to make sure that missed dosage did not result in a positive test.
Does every dog need to have heartworm preventative?
Every dog does need to have heartworm preventative. You can't prevent mosquitoes from coming into your house, and most dogs do still go outside to go potty, even if it is for a short amount of time.
How successful is treatment for heartworms?
Heartworm treatment is successful. However, the damage that is done after they do have heartworm disease is irreversible, so prevention is key here. If you have any other questions on heartworm disease, please give us a call. Our number is 920-477-3003.